today, and let me share my screen. We can get started with this. Okay, cool guys. So I hope my screen is visible to you all. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Perfect. Perfect, guys. So this is what we have seen till now. Okay. Any doubts till now, guys? We have started a new programming language. Any doubts you have till now? Okay. Cool. Perfect. Great. Great, guys. That's good to hear. Now, okay. So what was the last topic, guys? Hmm. Everyone. Yeah. What was the last topic that we were seeing? Hmm. See, there can be other programming languages. The same similar kind of variables can be used or cannot be used. So again, it depends upon different programming language and their syntax. Some of the programming language might have the same syntax or same way the structure or same way the different data types are defined. Okay. So again, you need to check with other programming language. For example, in C++ int is used. Okay. For other any other programming language, you will need to check. Okay. Which data type is exactly used and has the similar kind of definition we have done in Python. So again, it depends upon. Okay, cool. So we have gone through data types, I believe. Okay. And then we'll talk about numbers. Okay, we'll try to, or maybe we can go for operators now. Okay, and we can talk about them. Okay. Now there are different types of operators that we see. Okay, once you have got the data types. Okay, once you have the variables that qualify or 10. Okay. Now let's say you want to add x and y. What you will do is you will write x plus y. Okay. Now this is called an operation. Okay. See, if you don't write the print statement, still the last line of the each cell will get printed. Okay. The output of each last line of each cell gets printed. Okay. The output gets printed as well, okay, without the print statement as well. Now again, it depends upon this is one of the operators. Okay, everyone knows that what is a plus operator, right? But there are various operators that we need to see in this particular video. So let me write the heading. Okay. Now talking about operators, the first operator that we need to see is arithmetic operator. Arithmetic operators. Okay. Now in arithmetic operators, we have different operators like sub addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and then there is modulo. I'll explain you what modulo is if you don't know this. Okay. Then there is exponential function, that is star star. Then there is flow division. Okay, I'll explain you flow division as well. So these are the functions we have in arithmetic operators. Okay. Now this is one of the operators that we need to see. Then other is assignment operator. Okay, in assignment operator we have different type of operators. Okay, but I'll try to focus more on arithmetic operators for now, and then we will keep on seeing other different types of operators. Clear, everyone? So these are the arithmetic operators. I think uh I'll I should give a gap between them. Yeah. Now I think it looks better. Let's try to one. So these are the value we have given for x and y. Let's try to apply these arithmetic operators on this. Okay. Now you have to give me the output in the chat once I apply all the operators. Please be careful on what I'm writing. So if I write x plus y, you need to tell me the output. So tell it like not right now. Okay. Just keep the output save in a notepad or something, or write somewhere. Okay. And then write in the chat once I've applied all the formulas. X minus y, x into y, y divided by x. x star star, or maybe x star star 2. Okay, then print y by x, or maybe y flow division 3. Okay, so tell me these output, guys, whatever you know. Okay, if you don't know anything, just write n. Let's say for last two, if you don't know any, if you don't know the output, just write small n in the end. But let's see how many outputs, how many operators you already know. Okay, others, can I give it a try? You all have written your answers. Cool, great. So let's try to understand each thing one by one. Okay, please be careful and please look in here. Now, talking about addition operation. Okay, so 10 plus 5, you all know 15. That's perfect. Division x minus y, 5 minus 10, that is minus 5. Okay, some people must have written 5, no worries. Then 10, 5 into 10, 5 multiplied by 10, it's 50. Here comes interesting part. 10 divided by 5, it's 2. Although it won't come exactly 2. Okay, you will see the output when I run it. Okay, you can see the output. It comes 2.0, correct? So that's the difference, right? I'll tell you the difference. So it comes 2.0. Again, it's 2, but yeah, still, to be precise, it comes 2.0. X raised to the power 2. So it's like this. A star star B. If it is written like this, okay, what it means, you have to calculate it like this. A raised to the power B. It means, in our case, the value is, we instead of A, we have 5 star star 2. It means 5 raised to the power 2. It means 5 multiplied by 5. 5 multiplied by 5, how many times? 2 times. So that's what we have written. 5 multiplied by 5, it's 25. Clear? So output of, get it? Can you write the output of this, everyone, in the chat? Now, great, perfect. Now it's not 25, it's 100. Like y is 10. So 10 raised to the power 2. It means 10 raised to the power 2. It means 10 into 10. 10 into 10 is 100. Simple. Okay, cool. Perfect, guys. That's great. Now, see, there are two concepts, okay, that I need to explain. Forget about all these stuff. These are mostly the basic stuff that we need to understand. Now, focus on this concept, guys. Okay, that I'm going to explain you. Now, there are two concepts. One concept is of floor. Another concept is of seal. Now, what is floor? What is seal? Let's try to understand. Imagine a room. Okay, you know what is seal, right? Ceiling, right? You know this is the seal value, right? This is the ceiling, and this is the floor, right? You all know that. For a room, imagine this a room. Now, if I say that there is a number, there is a floating point number. We have seen what are the floating point numbers, right? Correct? 8.63 or 2.18. Okay, number that has decimal number points, right? Now, if I what you do need to do is, when you get to calculate, when you have to calculate the floor, okay, or ceiling values, okay, of any number, okay, of any numbers, for example, of any decimal numbers, okay, what you will do is you will mention these numbers here. Just mention these numbers in the room, anywhere in the room, okay. Now, floor, you have to write the value that is just lower this. You have to write an integer value, okay, please careful. You have to write the integer value that is just smaller to this particular value. So what is the integer value that is just smaller to this number? 2.18. Guys, in the chat, what is the smallest or nearest integer value that is just smaller to this? 2, exactly. 2. So the floor will be 2. And what is the integer value that is just greater than this? Everyone? 3 it is. So we'll write ceiling as 3. So now the problem is very simple. Okay. Once you have done this, once you have made this box and given floor a seal, a particular value, your problem is solved. You just have to, if someone asks you what is the ceiling, what is the seal value, there is a seal function in Python. What is the seal value of 2.18? This function basically returns the ceiling value of this. So what would be the output, guys? What is the seal value of 2.18? 3, correct? It would be 3. Okay, someone has unmuted. Okay, now if someone has uh, asked what is the floor value of 5.05, guys, what is the floor value of this? 5, everyone, yeah. And what is the seal value of this? Seal value 6, correct? Yeah, perfect. About this is called floor division, as I told you. This is called floor division. Now, in case of floor division, what happens is, there is a normal division. Okay, let's say if I divide 10 by 3, the division would have come out to be 3.33333 something, right? But in case of floor division, we take the floor of this value. So now, can you tell me the output of this, guys? Y floor divided by 3. What is the output? 3, everyone? Yeah, everyone agreed with this? You can see the output. It's 3. But there is, in this case of division, in this simple division, there is a decimal point. Why? Because if instead of 5, okay, if instead of x divided by y or y divided by x, I would have written like this: y divided by 3, the output would have been different. The output would be 3.33333333. Okay, that's the actual division value it will give. So divisions are always in decimal format. Okay, if you want to get the actual number, integer value, okay, you have to do the floor division. Clear, everyone? Guys, are we clear with this operators? Arithmetic operators? Are we clear with this? Okay, it's good to know that you all are clear with this. Clear, great. Now let's talk about other operators that we have. These are assignment operators. Now in case of assignment operators, we have different types of operators. This is equal to simple assignment operator. Okay, this is there are complex assignment operator like plus equal to, subtraction equal to, and then there is multiplication equal to or division equal to. I'll explain each one of them. Don't worry. Then there is exponential equal to and slow division equal to. Now, what we you get the idea about this normal assignment operator, right, guys? For example, if we have mm, yeah, if we have the value of variable, we define a variable x equals to 10. So this is a simple assignment operator that helps the variable 10 to assign. Okay, the value 10 will be assigned to a variable x. Okay, and this equal to assignment operator is helping in that. Okay, clear with this, guys? Clear with this assignment operator? Equal to simple assignment operator. Now, talking about the more complex one, if I explain you the one complex assignment, okay, that's how the because there are continuous digits. It's not like 3.3333. It's not like it will not end at some decimal places. Okay, it will continuously to stop. Okay, now how to expand this? Okay, that's important. Suppose there is a number written a here and there is a number b written b here. Okay, in this general sense. Now, in order to calculate this value, what you will have, how you can expand this? This is basically equivalent to a equals to a plus b. Okay, this is how it is written. So this is the actual form. In the short form, we write like this. In the short form, we write like this. Okay, now I give you an example. Let's say 3 plus equals to 5. If someone asks you what is the output of this, 3 plus equals to 5. Okay, or maybe a plus equals to 5. Sorry, not 3 plus equals to a plus equals to 5. Okay, then what is the final value of a? Okay, initial value of a was 3. Okay, some people typed before I wrote the value of a as 3. Okay, no worries. So the how to expand it? It will expand like this: a equals to a plus 5, correct? A equals to a plus b, a equals to a plus 5, and the value of a is 3. It will be kept here. So a becomes new a becomes 8. Clear, everyone? Yeah. Now, if you are clear with this, okay, can you give me the output of these values? Let's say we have a x plus equals to 5, x minus equals to 5, x multiplication equals to 2, x division equals to 4, x raised to power equals to 2. Yeah, guys, can you write the values of these operators for me? Okay, cool, guys. Yeah, that's you all are correct. This will be the output mostly. Let's see. Sure, I'll explain each and every one. Okay, equals to x plus 5. What's the initial value of x? It's 10. Right, so 10 will be here. So x becomes 15. Now, the same x will be utilized here. So x equals to x minus 5. 15 goes here. We get an output of 10 minus 5. It's 15 minus 5, that is 10. So new value of x becomes 10. X equals to x into 2. X value is 10 now. So x equals to x into 2, that becomes 20. X equals to x divided by 5, x divided by 4. So x value is 20, it becomes 5.0. Then x equals to x equals to x raised to the power 2. Simple. So 5 raised to power 2 is 25. Why initial value change? Okay, that's the output, guys. That's what we have written. A plus equals to B. You didn't complain when I wrote this. You didn't complain when I give you the example. It's just that I use a similar example 2-3 times when you are saying it. A equals to A plus B. That was always the logic. What example we take, right? We took the value of B as 3 and A value as 10. So the A value was 10 here and B value was 3 here. It comes out to be 13. That's what we took, right, Naman? Now after this line, if I use the A again, yeah, it value would be 13, right? It won't be 10 again, right? Because we have updated its value. It's on the left hand side of the assignment operator, right? That's why I asked you this. Are you clear with this assignment operator? Because that's the assignment operator we are going to use everywhere. Don't worry, you made this mistake. It's very common. I also made the same mistake when I learned it first time. But is it clear? Are you clear right now after the explanation? Did you get it? Yeah. Okay. Perfect, guys. I think that was mostly what I needed to cover. All what I needed to cover right now. And I think yeah, we are good with this because we have covered assignment operators and arithmetic operators. Next, we have to cover a comparison operator and some other operators if we want to compare. Yeah, and logical operators. Cool. So these are the two operators that we need to cover next. Yes. Yeah. That's your aim would be to try to practice more and more on this. Okay. Yes. Try to practice upon this and try to get your hands on with this first so that we can start with other two operators, other two type of operators, and we can end them. Are we good, guys? Did you get the idea of the two types of two different operators that we saw today? Everyone? Was it good? Okay, cool, guys. Then, yeah, thank you very much for attending this class and have a good day ahead. See you in the next class. Thank you.